Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all another wood watch. Same brand, Shifenmei. They did send me this review, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. Today we're going to be looking at a zebra wood watch. They're all handcrafted, which is really neat. And you can pick this up on Amazon. So the link is in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out. Do some shopping, see which watch is right for you. Nice packaging right here. We can go ahead and open it. So you have a nice gift box right here. You can see their brand and logo on it. And you open it up. And the first thing we have out of the box is a nice instruction manual. It's going to show you all the hands and positions for this watch and what to do. There's your warranty as well. So really simple, really easy to read, nice instructions. You're going to want to hold on to that. Now let's look at the watch itself. Ooh, really cool. Really liking this. These wood watches are awesome. And I already like this band for it as well too. So there it is. Looks really nice, really sweet. Can't believe that's wood and they can etch and engrave all those little numbers in there. So 60, 30, obviously 45, 15. So they got it all ready for you. And then they have different cities listed, Paris, London, Athens, to tell the time. So this is a really cool watch. I'm really impressed. That wood feature is really cool. Let's see if we can maybe show it a little better to you, maybe. In there. But it's really great, really neat watch. Alright guys, so I'm back here. I just had to get a little piece of plastic off of the crown, then you can pull it out, set the time, push it back in, and the watch will start. And what's nice is I kind of played with some of the other settings too, so it's really easy and straightforward. There's 3 modes to this watch. The first mode, you push the mode button once, it takes you to the stopwatch. The second mode allows you to set an alarm, and the third mode allows you to change the digital time on the screen as well. So really easy, straightforward to use. The stopwatch feature is really nice. You push it twice, then you go ahead and you push the top button and it'll start the stopwatch. You push the bottom button to stop the time depending on how long you need to time. So it's really easy, straightforward. Everything's pretty intuitive. We're really happy with it. A nice watch. Now we're gonna go ahead and we'll put the watch on and see how we like it. So I got the watch on right here. You can really see it. Looks really nice. Really happy with it. Really cool. The link to this is in my video description below. Feel free to go check it out. Ask me any questions, comments, concerns you may have about it as well. Hit that like button, hit that sub button, join my newsletter, check out my social media channel as well. And I will see you all in my next video. Thanks.